What's the meaning of cherub? Cherub. Cherub.
Cherub. A cherub is a type of supernatural being or angelic being found in various religious traditions. They are typically depicted as young, plump, winged boys with divine attributes. In Christianity, cherubs are associated with the second highest order of angels and are often depicted as guardians of the throne of God. The term cherub has also been used more broadly to refer to any innocent, chubby-faced child or infantile figure. Overall, cherubs are considered to be symbols of purity, innocence, and divine protection.